Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for the perfect gift to show someone how much you care, this gift box from Living Canvas Design is perfect.
What better way can you think of to tell someone get well soon than to send them a beautiful 11-piece gift set? It not only comes with a warm, cozy blanket, super cozy, soft socks, but even a water bottle. I know nothing that makes me feel better than getting a new bottle to drink out of, and this one is really awesome. You can tell they put a lot of thought into curating this box and filling it with things that are going to make you feel comforted and warm and loved. And there are things that you're going to use every day, like a scrunchie and socks and that water bottle, that you will remind you of how loved you are every time you use them. It really is such an amazing self care package.
I can guarantee you that whoever you give this box to is going to feel so loved. It is so perfectly curated. I think it is absolutely fantastic. And that is my point of view.